Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a transparent text box in Zoho Writer. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Zoho Writer document, then select the three-dot drop-down menu and go to the Insert menu. Select the text box option. We can see here insert a text box. You can write any text. Click inside the text box and write any text. Select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the format menu. You can increase the font size of text box, otherwise you can increase the size of text box. Now I am select the text box. You can add the color, go to the setting option or text box option, select the background option and choose any color. Now you want to make the text box transparent, make the opacity 25 or 30%. But now click outside and select the text box and move the text box in front of text. We can see the text is showing on this option. You can increase this, but the text box is not transparent. You can decrease the text transparency. The text box is transparent. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.